this question 19 is a question on the rate of reaction. Now, this reaction is an exothermic reaction. Okay, so that means producing heat as one of the products. And then they are measuring the concentration of a reactant, right? So if the reactant, okay, is forming product, so the concentration of this reactant will actually reduce over time. Okay, so generally should decrease over time because it is a reactant. Okay, it is being used up in a reaction. Now, during the experiment, the temperature of the reaction mixture is not controlled. So that means they are not fixing the temperature at all in this reaction. So for exothermic reaction, when heat is produced, then the temperature will rise. Okay, and reactant will absorb the heat, then the temperature will go down. Okay, but exothermic reaction will keep producing heat. Okay, so now we are supposed to find which graph shows the change in concentration of reactant against time, A, B, C, D here. So first of all, okay, we know the concentration of reactant is reducing, okay, is decreasing over time. So A decreasing, okay, B decreasing, C decreasing, D increasing. So D is not the answer. When you're the answer because should decrease over time. So A, B, and C, which one is the correct shape of the graph? Now A, it's too linear, it's too flat. Okay, it doesn't tell us about after temperature is okay, after heat is produced. Okay, then the rate of reaction will increase or decrease. Okay, so across A also, okay, because it doesn't have enough information to tell us about the reaction. So the answer can only be B or C. Right. Now, we also should know that temperature is one of the factors that is affecting the rate of reaction. Okay, temperature is high, the rate of reaction will also increase, right? Okay, so when the reactant forming product, okay, is also producing heat, that means the temperature will rise. So when temperature rise, the rate will rise. Okay, the concentration of R, okay, will reduce faster. It's already reducing, right? It's already decreasing over time. So first, the graph will go down. Okay, please remember this concentration of the reactant. So first, it's decreasing. But then when heat is being produced, okay, temperature rise, it will decrease faster. You see that this one has a smaller slope compared to after temperature rises. Okay. Of course, over time, you have less and less reactant. Concentration is getting lower and lower. So this time, the concentration is outweighing the factor of temperature. You have very low concentration. Okay, the rate cannot be so high anymore. So the concentration of the reactant will also decrease at slower rate. Okay, then until the end. Now we do not have enough information to know whether the reactant is being used up or not. So this ending part can be touching the x-axis or not touching. Okay, doesn't matter unless the question tells us that okay, no more reactant at the end. It should actually touch okay the x. Right, so can you see this is the one that I sketched? Okay, it looks more like B or C. Okay, so the answer is B.